I'm okay. Those LB scab eaters won't beat me that easily. Wait, you're Enfielders! I saw that anchor fall right into your base! The Angaloy and LBs kept trying to get into this place while tearing apart everything we built. We could barely hold them, and had no choice but to beat a fight. Anyway, appreciate the help. I gotta fix our facilities here. Once I'm done with that, I'll go bandit smashing with my hammer right here. I still have 2 buddies out there. If you see an Alafia and Fort, tell them to bring their arsenal. I'll get myself ready for a major... That sound?
A blade unsheathed, it's like unleashed!
All variables within estimates.
Yay! That was some perfect teamwork. You did well.
Take this!
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Verify and report personal status, team.
Good work, everyone.
Watch this! Take this!
Outstanding technique. Impressive.
An easy victory.
We handled that fight well.
Something ain't right. We get an ambulance. Face your
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Joining the party? Oh, you're Enfielders.
Yes, we're Enfielders. You're wounded, and... Did you do all this?
I probably did. I got no ideas on fighting the Bugaloids, but these raiders... all muscle but no brains. I fought worthy opponents in...
We're trying to create a safe route to the hub base. You can go there to receive medical treatment.
Great. Oh, by the way, I kindly asked this pipeface here a few questions before he passed out. Blightbrain could hardly form a coherent sentence, but I could faintly make out signs of trouble up north. But I have other business.
North? There is a refugee camp north of here trying to work for the UWST. But these raiders came from that direction too?
This ain't normal. Face your Take this!
We are united as one.
Take this!
Good work, everyone.
A definitive outcome, but the raiders have taken a UWST crewmate prisoner. We must defeat them.
Watch this! Ready to strike. Face your Watch this! Take this!
Thank you so much. I got jumped by this pipe fake.
Rascals? Well, landbreakers can be
Dangerous indeed. You look like Enfielders. I guess you took care of your anchor problem.
Our base is safe for now. However, we also had to fight off an unexpected landbreaker raid. We are out here to solve the issue.
Solve the issue? That means every last one of those breaker scum, right?
I am totally for that. But I guess our priority is
Agreed. You bail me out of a bad sitch. I'll head back once I verify the facilities are all right. If you see my 2 other brothers out there.
Cut the wires, you break the switches here, you smash the crates! Well, don't let boss. I'll go get him! Hold him off, boys! Fresh meat? We got fresh meat coming! Drop deal, boys! Crush him all! Take this! Take this! Take this!
That move of yours was incredible! Aggressive forward!
Ready to strike. Face your ass! We're all around you! Present for you. Face your ass!
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh? Are you all right?
This is strange. The landbreakers have built a camp here, but they did not loot the nearby areas.
That means we kept most of our stuff, right? Sounds like good news to me.
But it makes no sense. These raiders often raid various sites and settlements for essential resources.
So you're saying that they left most of the loot nearby, but stayed put here?
Occupying.
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my...
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait.
We'll talk about the landbreakers later. Our priority is to deploy the
Oh, my legs are... Anyway, this place is cleaned up. No time to loot.
Whoa, let's just take it easy.
Of course I am. Our goal in coming to the hub base is to prepare the AIC factory. We gotta run it through a field test and though I must admit, I never expected to do it under such dire circumstances.
Supervisor Perlica, we've received your protocol application and verified all access authority levels. You may issue the order for PAC deployment.
Understood. The Endman and I shall initiate... Endman. The PAC is protected by the highest levels of encryption. Only you can... Everything is now in place.
That's wonderful! It's just like what I've envisaged. We can totally deploy the... Sorry. I just got a little too excited. Whew.
With the Protocol Automation Core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area. We can begin. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work. It will also be able to support and satisfy Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. You reminded us with this line on more than one occasion. Don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The Protocol Automation Core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise to new hope.
I'm gonna give the automation core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the Protocol Resonance Tower. This will let us force restart the Originium power facilities within the hub base.
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy these facilities anytime at the required locations.
Wow, that sounds awesome! How does it work?
Oh, you can treat it as a form of facility printing based on the properties of Originium. As for what the automation core can really do, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By using the reverse internalization technology, the automation core can serve even greater purposes. But right now, let's focus on the problem at hand.
Entering core AIC area.
Nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC. Endman! Just plug the cable in right here!
Both the PAC and relay tower seem to be in working order. Now, we just need to deploy more relay towers and transmit power to...
Well, looks like my work here is done. Supervisor Perlica, I guess I'll head... Using the Protocol Resonance Tower to force activate Originium might damage our facilities.
Okay then. Time to split our forces. Completing the automated industry complex is a top priority for Endfield Industries. It is our core solution for dealing with the hazards of Talos 2. Endfield completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress. Until recently. Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
A blade unsheathed, its light unleashed!
All variables within...
Forward!
Face your ass!
Yay! That's some perfect teamwork!
You did well. Much appreciated.
Gotcha!
Verify and report personal status, team.
An easy victory.
Good work, everyone.
We're almost there, Endman.
Tell the boss. Endfield has arrived. Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the...
Good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about compatibility.
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours, but you just deployed it in a flash. This tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the wildlands. This is the future that we want to achieve with our AIC factory technology. What was once our dream has finally made a major...
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can hardly recall the last time you called me
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online at the hub base. Thank you so much.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests.
Yes, we could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair, so we can't contact other regions yet. And we're short-handed across the entire... Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens to that place, the results could be disastrous.
Wait. The Angeloy wouldn't cause this kind of damage. Maybe the Landbreakers had their eyes on something inside.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned? Another important project of yours?
Byproducts include all sorts of things you can think of. But Originium batteries would be the most important. I guess the LBs are after that. Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now. The worst part is that they know little about the safe handling of flammable and explosive materials. Things will be catastrophic if they accidentally set off an originium explosion.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this landbreaker attack on our base. The underground lab, the protocol automation core deployment area, and now, a byproduct processing center. Landbreakers usually wouldn't consider these as prime targets for looting and raiding.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's head over right now and check out what those pipe-faced bandits are after.
The photo tells me that the processing center has suffered severe damage. We must repair the local infrastructure first. Otherwise, we can't ensure this—
This is where the AIC factory comes in. Let's head on over to the core AIC area right now.
Entering core AIC area.
Judging by how bad that gate looks, the facilities inside are probably damaged too. We must prepare some materials for carrying out emergency repairs. I recommend the Origo crust. It's the most common material for reducing all kinds of machinery and equipment.
Wow, if it's that useful, I'm guessing we've got a whole warehouse full of it, right?
Yeah, we, just happen to have used up the local stash. Nobody expected that anchor fall to hit right in the middle of our base. There was so much damage that we needed to fix. That being said, we have to start from square one and do some manual mining. I'll prep various AIC facilities while you'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we lack proper gathering tools, I suppose we can hit them with our weapons.
Nice! I guess it's time to show the Endmen my new moves.
What's this?
Good. We have enough originium ore, Endman. Now let's get... I've readied the facilities. We should deploy them near the PAC to start out.
Entering core AIC area.
Construction complete. We can now activate the refining unit. Enman, you're an incredible learner. So, these are the basics of using the AI. Oh, perhaps incredible learner would be the wrong way to put it. Anyway, you can start moving again once you're ready. Now that we have these materials, we can still salvage the Originium machinery, as long as it's not completely destroyed.
Big Owl? Besides those batteries, is there something else?
Yeah, Jen. You got really sharp sense. I actually left a set of parts and some key documents for the prototype's upgrades. If I lose them, I won't be able to wrap up my work on the
Important documents. Mr. Andre, you could have told us earlier. Director Chin would have...
Oh, you started the project without Director Chin's approval, didn't you?
No, it's not like that. It's fine. The evaluation process can be a real bummer. So I spent my own money and got someone to custom build a set of special equipment. But I can't just delay the progress of the prototype project. It will be such a waste. Edmund, Supervisor
We understand. Let's move out as soon as...
Thank you so much. By the way, some operators just set up a few zip lines in this area. Use them. Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
Impressive. Operator Perlica, standing by.
Still waiting for something?
Watch this! Awesome, right?
Operator Perlica.
Still waiting for something? I'll never forget the sight of them.
Watch this! So, this and
Operator Perlica, standing.
this looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out. These Origo crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to thank for that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Wait. Don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we should do another sweep, just to be sure. Give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful information. Someone has flipped through these data files. Were some of them taken away? Some documents have been taken away. What about the parts?
The footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. We can search this place again. Keep looking. I'll poke around in other places.
Something ain't right.
Here's our chance!
Take this!
Yay! That's perfect teamwork.
Good luck.
Take this!
Here's our chance!
Everyone okay?
A blade unsheathed, its life unleashed!
All variables within estimate.
What's this?
Here's our chance!
Trust it.
An easy...
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield crisis team. You're now safe.
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers. They'll trouble you no more.
Oh, thank you all. We're finally safe.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then took this set of equipment and the accompanying technical documents with us.
We got no idea what it's for. But the packaging label says it's top priority. It's covered in Endfield logos. You came for this, right? Guess we really did save something important.
This is it. This is the set of prototype parts that Mr. Andre mentioned. Thank you. The two of you acted in a decisive and timely manner to save a key asset of Endfield Industries. Now that it's been recovered...
Great! Oh, we also found a few other things. These combat records might be used...
Still waiting for something?
Operator Prota, standing by. We once fought on and never gave up.
Watch this! So... this? And follow up with this. Alright, I got it!
Operator Prota.
Still waiting for something?
Since the landbreakers were gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my Enfielder friends. Things look good for now.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
This ain't normal. Hear that sound?
Here's our chance!
Trust it.
Take this!
Outstanding technique. Impressive.
Watch this!
Take this! What is it, Perlica?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. They're
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the landbreakers acquire? Mr. Andre should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering projects. The UWST has spent years researching the Ether Rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an Ether test site at the Power Plateau for this purpose. Though it does make little sense, I have a feeling that these landbreakers are indeed... We'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center and recovered the parts and the... Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
Stay alert. This hostile poses significant threat. Personal status team.
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
An easy victory. blade unsheathed, it's like unleashed!
All variables within estimates.
Hey,
A blade unsheathed, it's like unleashed!
All variables within estimates.
Here's our chance! That move of yours was incredible!
We made another step forward, Enfielders.
A definitive outcome achieved through strong teamwork.
An easy victory.
Something ain't right.
Engaging. Stay safe.
Leave it to me! Arknights, here's our chance!
Trust it.
We are united as one.
Good work, everyone.
Nicely done.
This ain't normal. We getting ambushed. Take this.
Here's our chance!
Trust it.
A definitive outcome achieved through strong teamwork.
Good work, everyone.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Leave it to me! Here's our chance!
Take this. Watch this.
Good work, everyone.
Verify and report personal status, team.
An easy victory.
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Leave it to me!
Watch this.
Here's our chance!
Trust it.
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Leave it to me! Here's our chance!
Trust it.
Engaging. Stay safe, team.
Leave it to me! Here's our chance!
Watch this.
We are united as one.
I wouldn't expect anything less. Here's our chance! Sequence!
You pulled off a sleek move.
Master Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived. They're now carrying out
Wonderful, Edmund and Supervisor Perlica. I'll give Director Chin an update regarding the situation at the processing center. Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area. Most of them can be fixed with Origo crusts, and that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now, I don't want to dent Master Chen's legendary Hangshan blades, so this, Enman, is the Endfield portable Originium rig. Just deploy it on a mining spot, and it will
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot. We can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise you'll be here to see it. Landbreakers? Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. Same goes for the high-precision nucleic crystal centers. If handled by untrained personnel, they can be easily damaged. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the Landbreakers, it's probably just a hunk of scrap. Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some Landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should also...
Endman, I received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to read the arsenal is the objective of our next mission. I couldn't get in touch with our arsenal engineer. The entrance of the arsenal was blocked by a collapse. Our closest Enfielder is investigating the site as we speak. She should be in touch with...
Edmund, we got a high payload situation on our hands. We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the heavy machinery. The only solution left is to up the yield and blast it all to pieces. I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the...
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants. It doesn't head to the PAC and use it to construct a shredding unit. Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC.
Entering core AIC area.
Enman, activate the shredding unit control. simple and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time.
We got the powder. Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Enfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Endfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll probably introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure he will get along with you and our Endfield.